Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to sound smarter instantly. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do to sound smarter basically instantly. If you do these things, you can make these changes immediately and you'll basically instantaneously sound smarter. Does that mean you're going to be smarter? No, but that's not the goal. The goal is to sound smarter, okay? And you can do that quickly. So let's get into this and essentially, use these tips and these pieces of advice effectively and as quickly as possible, and you can sound smarter like that. All right, number 1 is pause before speaking. When you pause before you speak, you end up sounding much smarter. If you pause before you start a new sentence or before you decipher a thought, it's going to make you sound much smarter. It gives the person time to anticipate what you're going to say. And by them anticipating what you're going to say, it allows you to sound much smarter. See, I just did it right there. I just paused and it did make me sound smarter. Plain and simple. But that's not how I speak. So I'm going to continue speaking quickly because that's how I speak. But pausing does make you sound smarter. Plain and simple. Moving on to number 2. Number 2, speak clearly. If you're blabbing all your words together, if you're combining all your words together, if you're talking fast like me, you're not going to sound that smart. You're going to sound as smart as you are. But if you want to sound smarter by speaking more clearly and allowing your words to be spaced between each other and understood immediately, it will allow you to sound smarter. Enunciate your words more than you usually do. Separate them ever so slightly more than you usually do, and you will sound smarter almost instantly. See what I did there? I enunciated the words, makes me sound smarter. Plain and simple. But that's not the way that I talk, so I'm going to continue talking quickly and all jargon together the way that I normally talk. All right, I don't talk like this in real life. This is how I speak when I'm doing a video and when I'm making content. But in real life, I don't necessarily speak this fast. It's just, that's basically how I speak when I'm filming and making content. Anyways, we are moving on to number 3. Number 3 is keep a steady speaking pace. Okay, you want to figure out what your speaking cadence is and keep that. Your cadence is your pace. Your cycling cadence is like how quickly you're pedaling. Your walking cadence is your pace when you walk. You also have a speaking cadence. Whatever your speaking cadence is, you want to keep that cadence. If you're speaking fast, if you're speaking at a fast pace and then at a slow pace, it shows emphasis. Okay, and that's great. But if you're going back and forth all the time without showing emphasis, like you're just speaking fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow, it's going to throw people off. You're not going to sound as smart as you are. Whatever your speaking pace is, keep that. So some people speak really quickly and you want to keep that for the entirety of your speaking. Okay, that's how you sound smarter. And some people speak slowly. You want to keep that for the entirety of your speaking. Don't go back and forth unless you're just slowing down to show emphasis once in a while. That's totally normal. But whatever your speaking pace is, you want to keep a steady speaking pace from start to finish. Whatever that speaking pace is, you want to keep a steady speaking pace. Simple as that. Okay, moving on to number 4. Number 4, ask thoughtful questions. When you ask questions that are thoughtful to people, they make you seem smarter. Now, here's the thing. You don't even have to care about the answers, truly. You don't even have to care what the answer is. But if you ask a question and you let them elicit an answer, it makes you sound smarter. Whatever the person's talking about, ask a question. Ask them to dive deeper into something. Ask them to reiterate something. Ask them to clarify something, and it'll make you sound smarter. Even if you don't care about the answer, just ask them, because by you asking the question, it makes you sound smarter. Okay? Hopefully they can answer it, but whether they can answer it or not, you'll sound smarter just by asking. Simple as that. Last but not least is number 5. Number 5 is use transition words. And some examples of transition words are going to be however, for example, and in contrast. Okay? So you can say like, oh, I thought that, however, my actions were different than my thought process. You can say, for example, that car over there has that type of car paint job wrap that I was talking about. Or you can say, in contrast, the other person did the exact opposite. Use those transition words. They will help you sound smarter, plain and simple. And you can use these things to sound smarter basically instantaneously. Just make use of them and you can sound smarter like that. And that's it. I got nothing else to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.